Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new money making strategy that you can use right now in order to make some passive income through referrals. I'm going to show you this free money making method that's going to help you get referrals on any website that you can think of, any application that you can think of, anything that you can think of, guys, that has referrals. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So how would you like to earn some income just like this, guys? Over $200 in free cryptocurrency just because of the referral system I have. I showed you guys how I've earned over 4,600 referrals on this one website, guys, called CryptoTab Browser. The link's going to be down below in the description for you guys to get started right away. But a part of that, guys, I want to show you a website that you can use right now in order to get some free referrals, some free banner ads, and you literally just click on a couple of buttons and you're already starting to earn some referrals, guys. So if we come over here to this website right here called County Ads, you can see right here, guys, everything is in this one picture here. So you can transfer from your balance of profits into your purchase balance, which means that inside of your purchase balance you can actually purchase advertisements. Really simple and easy, guys. So if you come right here where it says earnings, you can see this page right here. It says top ads. All you have to do is visit this site for 10 seconds and you're going to be earning 2.15 satoshis. So let's go to visit real quick and show you how this works. So the thing about this site right here, guys, is if we exit out and click on a different screen, this timer will stop. So make sure you just keep on leaving the screen open. It's going to take you just 10 seconds. You're going to solve that simple CAPTCHA, exit out of this extra page, and you have earned your crypto right there, guys. So your free balance to earn you some advertisements. So now let's just move on to the next page real quick. So let me go back to my home page just so I can show you right here, guys. I recently just started doing this not too long ago. I want to put this up as quickly as possible so you guys can get started as fast as you possibly can. So in order to actually start getting referrals onto your website, so let's just stick with CryptoTab Browser. I want to go to my affiliate thing real quick. Let's go over here to where it says promos. So once we have clicked on promos, you're going to get banner ads like this. You just put in the information right here, or you can just generate something that's already done for you guys. So what I like to do is I like to do the banner ads, the small ones. So that's going to be like 728 by 90, and then let's just go to auto language, and that's going to be our new link, so our new little number that's going to help us know where that referral came from. So let's go to generate code real quick. So once we have generated code, it's going to pop up another page just like this, and you have animated banner ads customly made for you with your own referral link inside of them, and you can see that right here somewhere, guys. You just have to search for it just a bit. So it's going to be this one right here, I believe, and so that's going to be your custom referral link inside of this banner ad. So all you have to do is just copy and paste this or download the image. And so once we have done that, guys, let's pretend like we downloaded the image. You're going to come back to here, you're going to exchange from your balance of profit into your purchase balance, and then you're going to go to advertisements. So now you're going to go to banner ads, pay to click ads, or banner ads right here. This one's going to just show you the link, like the page like we just did. This one's going to show you a banner ad on their screen like this one. So you're going to add into either the URL, which is really simple, guys. So if we just come back over here to this page, you're just going to come in here, grab the URL link from inside of here, or what you can easily do is if you have like a free website, so post this URL link on a website, and all you're gonna have to do is just copy that. So you're gonna right click on this, and it's gonna say copy link address. So copy that link address, and then we're gonna come over here and then paste that ad URL there. So now you have pasted it inside of here, guys. And then what you're gonna do next is click right here where it says select banner, and then you're just gonna select the banner. So if you already have this downloaded, so now you're going to select the banner. So you go to your downloads inside of your account, you're going to select that banner that you downloaded. So just clicking right here where it says download image, and then once you have done that, guys, you're going to select how much you want to pay per impressions. So you're going to need 9,816 satoshis for 60,000 impressions, guys. That is an extremely cheap price to pay if you get started for free. And this was just going to be a quick video, guys, showing you a new method on how you can actually get started right now for free by doing this. And look, I already have 9 satoshis, guys, and I literally just started this like 5 minutes ago. Not even, it's been 5 minutes in this video. So a little bit more than that, or a little bit less than that. So we just go back to earning, come back over here, click on visit, and just keep on earning that free cryptocurrency by doing absolutely nothing. And if you actually enjoy doing this, guys, and just letting your computer sit there for a couple of seconds and clicking another button and keep that momentum going, then you can actually withdraw that crypto and just use it for something different. So this is just something I wanted to show you right away, guys, so you can get started right now. The links are going to be down below. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.